What we see a lot of times is people want to start opening the windows come spring. They want to open up the doors, let the house breathe. Oftentimes, the winter takes a toll on some of these, and you might need a new screen or a new storm door. Give us a call when that happens, because nothing could be worse than not having to shut out after 6 months of cold, the nice warm air coming in for spring. Let your home air out with new screens or new storm doors, utilizing our services here at House Doctors of Strongsville.